Oh, got him. Yeah. This feels a nice one. This feels like a nice one. Hey guys, I forgot to do an intro when I was at the lake, but we started fishing around 5 in the morning, and at that point it was still too dark to have my GoPro on. I did catch one bass during that time period, and here is the picture. With that being shown, let's get into the rest of the video. Got it. That's not a bad one.
That's fish.
Thank you. Oh my god, that's a nice one. Oh. Alright. 2-4. There it goes. I know. Got one.
Down. Don't make him jump. That's a 3-pounder, bro.
I'm trying to. Trying to keep him down as low as I can. He doesn't feel that.
Yeah, he's
good.
swimming toward you now. There he is. Bring him to me.
Oh, he's barely hooked.
I shouldn't have netted him. I'm sorry. I'm trying to help you with this. Fish. Damn, why did he look like ginormous?
Dude, look at. Did you see how he was hooked?
Yeah.
He was barely hooked. Oh, this one's definitely all spawned out. Look how skinny it is.
Yeah, it's getting small now. It might be a top of it too. Let's go. What, dude? That just took my gunfish. Oh,
it's right there.
Oh my god, dude. Dude, it's a $15 lure. Maybe it was a pickle. There's a lot of pickle. Dude, why does my line keep breaking?
You can still get it.
What the is going on, dude? Dude, that was a big fish, bro. That was like a 3-pounder. Well, that had a knot edge from my backlash. That's why that was a big fish, dude. Seriously, that was like a 3-pounder. See the way you hit that thing?
Yeah. Oh, got him. Yeah. This feels a nice one. This feels like a nice one. Like he's not budging.
Keep him down. Keep him down. Don't let him come up. Bring him right to me. Man, that fish ain't even moving.
Uh-huh.
Man, it's a good one, Justin.
It feels like it.
Don't let him jump. Keep him down. Keep him down.
Keeping him down. Still on.
Caught in that line.
He's still on. Oh. Oh my god.
Let him put the rod towards me. Put the rod towards me. Oh, damn, that's a good fish. All right, bring.
He's coming up. Oh. Did that foul hook him?
Bring him. Oh, he's got one hook. Nice. He had some fight in him, huh?
Yeah, he did.
Good fish, man.
Fouled hooked him, but...
I like that flopper, huh?
Oh yeah. He's got a lot of dark spots on him. Wow, that's it. 3. I guess so. I mean...
Yeah, it's 2-3.
There she goes. At this point, just like a couple weeks ago, the top water bite stopped, so we decided to fish deep with some crankbaits, but only could get some white perch followers. At around 9 a.m., we packed up our things and went to a different lake. I did catch 2 bass at this new lake, but unfortunately did not get them on camera. Here are the photos once again. All in all, it was an awesome day on the water, and we caught some nice bass. Usually I have a preview of my next video in my outro, but right now I don't have one. That's because next video is going to be something fun that I've been thinking about doing for a while now. On that note, I will see ya.